guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's episode I'm going to be showing you how to make something mouth-watering and yummy. So today I am going to be showing you how to make a Yamarita, also known as egg coated yam. So before we get started, let me introduce you to the ingredients. Alright, these are my ingredients that I have prepared. And let me tell you guys something. If you want to cook, make sure everything is prepared. Alright, I see no reason why you want to boil meat, just take onions and start boiling inside. No, make sure that all the things are ready. I'm telling you, it is the easiest. Before I get started, I would like to pour some water into my heating pot. This is my pot which I've been heating for like 5 minutes now. So I'm just gonna go in and throw this water in. Goes in. Alright, so next I'm going to be throwing in now is some of my white grounded sugar. Yeah, you heard me. Yes, grounded sugar. I'm telling you, this will make a whole lot of difference. So I'm just gonna add a little, alright, and some salt. So I'm just gonna go ahead and sprinkle this in. So I'm just going to cover this up a little bit so that the water can heat up before I transfer my yam in. So here is my yam which I have peeled. Now take note of how I cut it in bowls. Now I am going to be dicing it just the way I want it for my Yamarita. I know you'll be wondering why the yam is in the water. Now the reason is because as I started peeling it earlier, I noticed it started browning a little bit. So I had to put it in a water with a white vinegar. Now this helped in reducing the browning process. So next I'm going to do now is to dice my yam just the same way I want it for the Yamarita. Now to get the exact shape for the Yamarita, I'll just have to trim this place a little bit, trim it off. Okay, I'll just have to come here like this. Oh, my yam's strong. Alright, I'll just dice it again. Alright, so this is exactly how I love to shape mine. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, it's your choice. Now this is the perfect shape for it, okay? Now try as much as possible to get the same shape. It will actually make it look so yummy. Now I'm just going to go ahead and trim this again, okay? As for the last edge, everything is looking so cool. I'll just have to throw it back into the water. Alright, so that's how I'm going to continue in circles. Like I said, first of all you have to trim. Just trim off the side, okay, so you can get the perfect shape you want. So just come here, trim. Alright, for this side just trim it a little so you can have the accurate shape. Here you go. Okay, I forgot to mention, I've actually washed my yam. When I peeled it, I actually washed it for about 2 to 3 times before soaking it in the white vinegar water. So do the same. Don't just peel it and put it inside like that in the white vinegar water. No. Just wash it for about 4 to 5 times or 3 to 4 times if you want to. Then you give it the final soaking mixed with the white vinegar. Okay. So next I'm going to do now is to throw it in the water which has already been heated. Okay. So let's go. Alright, so our water has already boiled, so I'm just gonna go ahead and transfer this, my yams here. Be very careful at this point. Okay, that's all for the the yam. So I'm just going to increase the heat. Now at this point, I'm going to let it boil for about 30 minutes, or let me say, I'm going to leave it for the yam for it to be 80 to 90% done, because it's still going to undergo another heating process. So let's move over to the next step. So for this next step, I'm going to be transferring, this is my flour, so I'm just gonna transfer it in the plate here. Okay, like that. Transfer everything. There's no waste in my kitchen. So next, I'm going to be throwing in my cinnamon and my nutmeg. They are all mixed together. So in this process, I'm supposed to use the crumbs, but I don't have crumbs available, so this is exactly what I'm going to be using. Alright, so I'll just add more for more flavor. Okay, so next I'm going to be throwing in this mixture is my sugar. See, you can actually omit sugar if you don't want sugar, but I love my sugar in my Yamarita, so I'm just gonna transfer everything. Oh my god, this is going to be very sweet. Next I'm going to be throwing in now is my pepper. So I just have to, for more chili, I'm just gonna throw in pepper here. Okay. So next I'm going to be throwing in now is little salt. Now this is for my yam coating, guys. It's for my yam coating. I want my yam to be very sweet. So next I'm going to do now is to grab a spatula. I'm gonna mix everything around. Okay. I assure you this is going to be the best Yamarita ever. So shake it up. That's all for the flour. Like I said, I'm going to be busy from yam cutting. Now the next is my egg. So I'm just gonna grab a bigger plate. Sorry. So I'm just gonna break this here. My eggs are fresh. Don't worry. What's this? Sorry for that, guys. Let me just put it here. One egg can be enough for me, so I'm just gonna go ahead and break another one. So my last one. Okay. So I'm just gonna use my fork and whip the egg properly. Okay. Alright. That's all for the prep for the yam coating. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clear the countertop. So for my yam, wow, it's already done. So next I'm going to do now is to grab my spider spoon. So gently, I just have to remove everything and I place it on my tray here. You have to be very careful. Let's just transfer everything here. Okay, at this point I had to improvise because I noticed that my spider spoon was actually breaking my yam. So you can actually use a thumb if you have one, but if you don't have, you can actually use the spider spoon, but just be very careful. So I'm just transferring everything into my tray there. Okay, let's just place here. Alright, for the last one, just gonna pick it with my thumb. Alright, and transfer it here. We're done. Alright, so this is all the yam. Now I'm gonna be setting it aside for it to get cold to handle, okay? The yams are cold, at least they are so cold and all that you can handle now. So next I'm going to do now is for my coating. I'll just have to bring my flour and no, I won't make use of the egg now because as you're dipping it into the egg, you're dipping into the hot oil. So next I'm just gonna do now is to grab my yam, coat it with flour. So I'm just gonna do this repeatedly until the yams are all coated with the flour. Okay, so I'll just place it here. So I'll be doing this. And just in case I've not told you, my oil is already heating up. Okay, so just gonna do this like this continuously. I would love to coat enough yam before I start frying. Okay, so I think this is enough because I can feel the hotness coming from my oil already. So like I said, it's going to be deep frying. You know what I mean by deep frying? Like it needs enough oil to fry. That's as you're putting it inside the oil covers it all. That's what I mean by deep frying. Alright, so that's enough for now. Alright, let me just set this aside. So, like I said, as you are dipping this in, you are putting it inside the oil. You get me? So let's just get started with the experiment. Here is my number one. I'm just gonna dip it in like this. Okay? Let's go to the pan. So I'm just gonna go ahead gently place this in. Very, very cautious because you don't want it to burn. Okay, so next one. So if you notice that the yam is already browning, this is the point where you have to flip it to the other side to heat as well. Okay, also. Oh guys, this is looking so beautiful. This is a thumb. If you don't have a thumb, you can use a spider spoon. So I'm just gonna grab this here. Okay. So we're done. Here is our Yamarita. It looks so big, doesn't it? Okay, if you notice there's a change in the color. Do you know why? The cinnamon. Now this is exactly how I love to do mine, with the cinnamon, making it look so brownish. I love it that way. But you can actually skip the cinnamon. Actually skip it. Okay, so it's time for the test. I'm gonna be testing this. Perfect. It tastes like chicken. Maybe because of the cinnamon. It's fantastic, guys. Try it out. Do you like it? Fabulous, so delicious. You know, this can actually go with pap concassé, which is also known as your normal tomato sauce. Yeah, we call it concassé. I learned that it's called concassé. It is your normal tomato sauce. You can actually go with tea. You can go with anything you can eat with yam. After all, is a yam. Yeah. Alright, guys, that brings us to the end of today's tutorial. I know you've learned something. Yeah, of course. And if you love this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please don't just watch and go. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want to recreate this, please don't forget to send your recreation to me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. I am there as Zuchilicious Food and Drinks. Okay, I love you all.